CIDO was established in 1985. We are the enterprise agency for the Craigavon area. We have 3 sites. We have one in Cairn, one in Lurgan, and we have the Innovation Centre where we're based here. What we do in here is we have a turnkey package for our tenants, which means that we cover all the costs of electricity, lighting and heating. So when we started to look at technologies, when the building was built, it was built with a heat source pump. So we've always been looking for new technologies that we can introduce into the building to ensure that we have most cost-effective use of our money.
Initially it was because of the ever-increasing energy costs and because we had such a massive electricity bill with computers, lights and other electrical equipment in our building. CIDO wanted to find a way to reduce not only our bill but also our carbon footprint and any pollution we were causing. In the next few years, CIDO's goal is to become as energy efficient as we can. After investigating various renewable energy sources and speaking to academics and people who had installed panels, we found that in most cases solar PV systems were actually outperforming their predicted kilowatts generated and offering the best payback period and savings. We went ahead and done some number crunching using our own electricity figures and took into account all areas including maintenance, insurance, inflation, renewing an inverter and the government-backed ROC payments. And so it quickly became a no-brainer for us, and eventually we decided to proceed with a 20 kilowatt system on our CIDO2 Innovation Centre. We drew up a criteria of what we wanted in our ideal PV supplier. Amber Green ticked all the right boxes in terms of professionalism, the information provided, and most importantly, they were the most commercially experienced. They were heads and shoulders above the rest. They were offering a reasonable price and a very good performing German polycrystalline panel. Amber Green were able to provide us with an extensive list of references, some of who we spoke to and visited on site. And the bottom line for us was the previous clients were all happy with their installation and how their system was performing. Their sales agent and their administrative staff were always only a phone call or an email away, and they were able to answer the long list of questions we gave to them. We will be using all our electricity generated, and we're optimistic because of our high electricity usage that we'll have a 6-year payback. We hope to save between £3,000 and £5,000 a year, perhaps more depending on how much extra electricity we have left to export back to the grid. Me personally, I'm looking forward to going out and having a look at the meter and seeing how much electricity we're generating. For me, being self-sufficient is the most exciting part.